Guys, Groody. Just showing you what's going on with the M20b29 at the moment, the race engine. Right, to give you a bit of an idea about this RHD intakes, they're obviously gravity molded because they come with all these aeration bubbles. Sometimes they're that bad that you have aeration in here. So we've got a couple of breakthroughs. This is one that, so these have been machined quite heavily in these spots. I wouldn't agree with it, but whoever is on the machining thinks that's the way to go. Now, these lower ones on all three had epoxy in them, and they were a tiny little breakthrough. For me, that's, nah. Tony epoxied it when he ported the manifolds, but I didn't want to deal with that. So, because I have issues with my brain, I decided I'd weld them up. Now, the reason Tony didn't is you can warp intakes, and they'd had so much boarding and stuff done on them, we didn't want to warp them, but I'm not too bad on the TIG. Welded inside, and what it was I actually found a tiny little breakthrough on this one. It's number 1 manifold. So for me, when I found this tiny little breakthrough at the top, I thought, you know what, I'm going to grind out the epoxy, I'm going to do it properly. I'm not just going to epoxy one bit. And then lucky, and it was a tiny breakthrough, guys, I'm telling you, tiny. I could see the tiniest little bit of light. It was actually smaller than that. So I thought, nah, I'll fix them all. 3 steps forward, a couple of steps backwards. We're getting there. It's only ever 1 step backwards or 2 steps backwards. It's never ever all the way back. So at the same time, I'm going to fill the vacuum hoses. I'm not going to fill the injector bungs because I actually have some Welsh plugs that'll go in there. You can buy them to suit that size. So yeah, getting there, guys. You will get to see the colour combo firsthand. It's going to look angry. I'll think angry. Yeah. I'll have lots more videos coming. Thank you. You have a lovely day.